Are you seeing the Delete Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we start the Delete Library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Delete Library, a generic naming convention used by several non-standard PC cleanup or uninstaller tools to house their localized secure deletion logic. Because it manages low-level file removal, it is frequently quarantined by antivirus software. If deleted, the parent utility will report a shellhook failure. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since Delete Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized File Deletion Logic Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Delete Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Delete Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Delete Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Delete Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support